Hello and welcome to the Office Superheroes channel. My name is Nicholas and today in this short video tutorial I'm going to show you how to simply and really quickly insert an image into a cell in Excel. We're also going to show you how to set up the proper formatting so that the image moves and resizes along with the cell. So let's do a demonstration. To insert an image, we first need to go to the Insert tab, which we will find at the top of the tab. Under Illustrations, we select Pictures. Now a window will appear in which we have two choices. Now we select the first option. We can select one or more images. We will select all these pictures. We click on the button, Insert. The images have been added to our table. We click on any empty cell and then click on the image again. You can use these small circles on the sides to move or resize the image. Let's move on. If we need to resize the image according to the cell size, hold down the Alt button while moving the image. This will help us insert the image into one of the corners of the cell and more accurately align it with its edges. Insert the other images in the same way. Great. If we need to hide the image, here's how we do it. We right-click on the image we want to hide. Select Format Picture. On the right side, we will see a window with several options. We select the tab, Size and Properties. We go to Properties, and select Move and Size using cells. This will ensure that the image will move with the cell. Let's try it out. Click on row number 3, which contains the image we want to hide. Right-click and select Hide. Great, the image has disappeared along with the entire row. It was a piece of cake, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, let us know via a comment or a like. Interested in more videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all from me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.